Share with me a fun and easy way to keep your linen closet organized.
Great question. And this happens to be a really small linen closet, so I had to get 3 bedrooms and all of the bath towels for the house into this closet. And what I found to be something really easy, you'll see that I reused boxes that are for other purposes. I've given each bedroom 1 bin for sheets, which that means that each bed only has 2 sets of sheets. I know that seems extreme, but one's on the bed and one's in the bin. So when my kiddos have to strip their beds of their sheets, they put them in the wash, they pull out their bin of sheets, they take it to their room, it's got everything you need in it, full sheets and the pillowcases, they make their bed, and then the bin goes back into the cupboard. And when the fresh sheets come out of the wash, it goes right back in. So I have 3 bedrooms of sheets in here and all of the towels for the house, and then I put a little bin with all the washcloths. So when the kiddos go to get into the shower, they grab a washcloth and they head out.